Ready to supercharge your studying? Let AI give you a hand. AI isn't just for tech geeks anymore, it's revolutionizing how students like you learn and study every day. First up, ChatGPT, your personal AI tutor. Got a tricky question? Need a quick summary? Just type it in, and voila, instant help. Next, DeepSeek.ai. It's like having a super smart research assistant on standby. Find relevant papers, generate insights, and crack those tough academic questions with ease. Struggling to organize your notes? Notion AI has your back. Summarize lectures, create study guides, and plan assignments like a pro. QuillBot is the ultimate writing companion. Need to paraphrase, check your grammar, or enhance your writing style? QuillBot's got you covered for essays and reports. Hate reading long articles? Let Speechify turn text into audio. Now you can learn on the go, whether you're commuting or hitting the gym. And for all you math warriors, Wolfram Alpha is here to solve equations, explain concepts, and give you step-by-step solutions. These AI tools are game changers for students. Which one will you try first? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI-powered learning tips.